Hi everyone, my name's Ashley Davis. I'm the developer of DataForge Notebook and author of the book Data Wrangling with JavaScript. In this short video, I want to show you one of the latest example notebooks gone into DataForge Notebook. This is an example of using my open source library DataForge Indicators. You can find it on NPM. DataForge Indicators is actually a plugin to DataForge, which is my open source toolkit for data wrangling, transformation, and analysis with JavaScript. Here's the new example notebook that's gone into DataForge Notebook. It's got an example of all the indicators that are currently in DataForge Indicators, and there's more indicators being added all the time. The first thing we do in the notebook here is prepare our data. We preview it and we plot it to make sure it's okay and that it's not corrupt and that we don't have any bugs in our preparation code. The first two examples are days falling and days rising. These shows you the number of consecutive days the market has been rising, falling. Then we've got the moving averages. So far, the simple moving average and there's exponential moving average. These give you an idea of the average value of a market over time. And then we've got an indicator called Bollinger Bands, which can show you the statistical deviation around the price trends. And then the more advanced percent bandwidth indicator. This is actually based on Bollinger Bands and is derived from it. The gaps indicator shows you the sequence of gap between subsequent bars in your data, or subsequent days in this case. The market direction gives you a 1 or -1 output, depending on whether the market has moved up or down in a given time period. Peaks and troughs is very cool. It'll return you -1 or 1, depending on whether the market has made a trough or a peak. This is using the extremer function. We can actually build on that, and the trends function does build on that, and it detects uptrends and downtrends in the market. So it'll give you back a +1 or a -1, depending on whether the market is uptrending or downtrending. This is actually really useful in trading if you only want to buy companies that are, say, uptrending. We can use the counter function with the trends function and to count the number of consecutive uptrend values. We've got a similar thing here for downtrend. We're using counter, again, building on the trends function, and we're counting up the strength of the downtrend and seeing how strong the downtrend is. The streaks counter is another way of counting market days rising and falling, but it actually counts up positively when the market is rising, and it counts down negatively when the market is declining. The momentum indicator measures market increase or decrease. The rate of change indicator is very similar to momentum, but it measures how quickly the market is moving. Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is also very popular, and it measures the relative strength of up days versus down days in any given period. And Connor's RSI is an extension on RSI that takes into account the streaks and also the rate of change. Thanks for listening. I'm always adding more indicators. I'm always adding more examples to DataForge Notebook. Sign up for DataForge Notebook. Please head over to www.dataforgenotebook.com.